Amid the recent bullish momentum that's seen the price of Bitcoin registering price levels close to the $47,000 mark for the first time since mid-May, expert analysts have predicted that this is just the start, as these price rallies are looking to be getting all the more exciting. Undoubtedly, the current price pump, although pioneered by the top 10 cryptocurrencies across the board, with more emphasis being laid on the top 2 cryptos over the past week or two, while these other altcoins like Cardano and XRP swiftly took over the market in the last couple of days. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Following the most recent trend in the crypto market, which had Bitcoin reaching newer highs, however, over the past day, the value of the most popular cryptocurrency had slightly gone down a notch. At the time of recording this video, XRP was trading at above $1.20, with more than a 52% swing to the upside. Even though the 2 largest cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, took a break from leading the rally, the overall crypto market has managed to cross over the $2 trillion market capitalization, all thanks to power altcoins like Cardano, BNB, and XRP. While Bitcoin continues to experience a significant surge in price, the prices of these other altcoins have soared concurrently, with the price of the largest cryptocurrency out on the market surpassing the $47,000 mark for the first time since mid-May. Cardano and BNB continued the rally, while XRP registers an almost negligible price pump in the last 24 hours. As the price rallies continue to get more exciting for crypto enthusiasts, Bitcoin and Ethereum took a bit of a halt, allowing XRP to take the glory over the last 7 days. As highlighted in a previous video on this channel, XRP had earlier touched the $1 mark, dipped a little bit, traded at the upper trend line of its up channel before settling for its current value of $1.28. As the altcoin market continues to gain momentum, XRP's price metrics support a bullish trajectory. The reasons for XRP's significant pump are due to several partnerships between Ripple and other financial institutions across the globe. Just like in the case of Cardano, where the social volumes had the cryptocurrency spike up to newer highs to sit at the number 3 position after Bitcoin and Ethereum. On Wednesday, August 11th, Cardano's social volumes surged by almost 50% within the span of 24 hours, registering the highest standard of social volumes to be recorded for the ADA token on a daily chart since Friday, May 14th. Adding to the high anticipation associated with the altcoin's price, the social volume of this digital asset surged in prices. Even though ADA seems to be leading the race in terms of the price hike entailed by its social volume, XRP's price hinted about some significant gains as it registers in excess of 62% on the weekly chart, against ADA's 52% gains over the last 7 days. More so, the daily active addresses for XRP saw a significant uptick that had a positive impact on the transaction volumes, leading to its most recent price pumps. While these transaction volumes were bound to experience such price hikes, the daily active addresses engaged with the XRP token increased to levels above those encountered during the latter days of the month of May, thereby highlighting the reinforcement of the network to quite an extent. Following the trend lines as seen on this chart, XRP's price has already touched the bottom trend line, which is designated as its newest resistance zone at $1.20. Since XRP crossed its previous resistance of 80 cents, the presenting ribbons also indicate a strong resistance at this point. Essentially, we could witness an uptrend from that point, which would lead to a breakout from XRP's $1.30 support. Considering XRP has cleared most of its sell orders before now, crossing that support zone would be a lot easier. Another possibility is XRP breaking out of the bottom trend line, in addition to the ribbons, at which point we could see the price of XRP plunge further downwards to newer lower lows. However, that trend is less likely to happen in the near term. The best XRP strategy entails doing things differently from other traders in the sphere. First things first, you would need to keep your emotions in check while bearing in mind that everything you need to know is right there in the charts, taking into consideration that news is manipulated by the elite, which in turn stirs up emotions. These elites would do anything to have you out of the market, so they can have the ample opportunity to rid you of your coins. You become an expert trader when you stop listening to hyperbole and pay more attention to the charts. If you decide to go along with the mindset of the majority, rest assured you'd be going down when they eventually do, just as seen in the past. Always remember, never buy the hype when everyone seems to be buying in. Instead, buy the dip when every average investor decides to sell out. You stand to lose a lot if you keep going with the trend and doing what the majority does, because an expert trader studies the charts and outlines those signals that others otherwise regarded as a risky move, such as buying into these digital assets when the chips are down and when the prices are low. As we always say, all you need to know is right there in the charts. Bitcoin's limited price movement provides investors the break they need to venture into these altcoin markets, just as predicted by expert crypto trader and former disc jockey Scott Melker. He says it seems like we're all walking on the moon right now, as Bitcoin has gone up from $30,000 all the way to around $46,000, and altcoins finally seem to be rising as it consolidated. Typically, during every bull rally, the best trading strategy is provisioned by trading from resistance to resistance. Similarly, in the case of the two altcoins, as earlier mentioned, each of these were testing key resistance levels at the time of recording this video. Therefore, it's best to note that these resistance levels are broken through before entering into these markets. Technically, XRP could touch between the $8 to $10 margin before the end of the year. Thus, it's most advisable to buy now and sell out between December 20th and January 31st. That said, once the price of XRP crosses over those resistance levels, that would signify a right time to enter into the market and register your stop losses at the next resistance level. Apropos reading the charts for XRP, the two most important things to bear in mind are getting rid of the moon mentality and emotions pertaining to such market trends as dips and price corrections. Majorly, it's best to focus on smaller timeframes, such as the hourly timeframes. However, don't get emotional on every dip. If you find yourself heading towards that trend, take a step back and take a look at the weekly or monthly time frame. Don't capitalize on these short-term dips or wins, as those are irrelevant compared to the move that is imminent. As we take a look at the altcoin market, we're also seeing signs of the XRP price bottom being in. We should also be looking at the overall altcoin market and taking a sneak peek at XRP's price chart. Going further into that, we should see soon why I believe that the bottom of the cryptocurrency market crash we've experienced over the last 2 weeks has finally come to an end. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.